In a sunlit workshop, Elina Novak sketches seed planting drones that reach steep hillsides, a dream born after wildfires. Facing funding gaps, she repurposes off-the-shelf hardware and open-source software into a scalable mission. In a candid interview, she recalls a failed prototype and the patience that finally sparked a breakthrough. She partners with forest services and schools, mentoring girls to design, code, and pilot mission-critical launches. Her lesson to aspiring founders: perseverance plus collaboration creates durable systems beyond any single venture.